Welcome to Phuket Nightlife 2025, Thailand's island paradise after dark. Tonight, Zenith Travel Club takes you through Bangla Road, night food markets, beach bars, massage spas, and nightclubs. Get ready for a fun, energetic, and safe nightlife experience in Phuket. Our night begins at the famous Bangla Road in Patong. After sunset, this street transforms into a vibrant nightlife zone filled with music, bars, clubs, performers, and entertainment. With loud music, colorful lights, and friendly vibes, Bangla Road is a must-visit for every traveler. Phuket at night is a paradise for food lovers. At night markets like Chillva Market or Malin Plaza, you'll find fresh seafood, BBQ pad Thai chicken, skewers Thai pancakes, roti, mango sticky rice, coconut ice cream. Everything is delicious, affordable, and freshly cooked. If you love music and dancing, Phuket has amazing nightclubs. Popular spots around Bangla Road and Patong include EDM clubs, hip-hop clubs, beach clubs, and rooftop lounges. Many bars host live bands performing rock, pop, reggae, and acoustic music, perfect for a relaxing night out. After exploring the nightlife, unwind with a relaxing Thai massage. Phuket offers a wide range of massage shops that provide foot massage, shoulder massage, aroma oil therapy, and spa treatments. It's one of the best ways to end your evening. Peaceful, calming, and very affordable. Phuket's night markets are perfect for evening shopping. Chillva Market, Naka Weekend Market, and OTOP Market offer clothes, souvenirs, accessories, snacks, and handmade products. The nightlife here is friendly, bright, and fun for couples, families, friends, everyone. For a calmer night, enjoy Patong Beach. Grab a drink at a beach bar, listen to soft music, or simply walk along the sand under the moonlight. Phuket offers both energetic party vibes and peaceful beach nights. Phuket Nightlife has something for everyone: food, music, markets, massage, and beautiful night views. Plan your Thailand trip with Zenith Travel Club, your gateway to Asia for the best experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos across Thailand, Sri Lanka, Bali, Singapore, and beyond.